Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm back with an updated video today to show you how to get free Robux in Roblox 2026. You can actually get 10,000 Robux for free using a Roblox promo code, and that is about $100 worth of Robux, guys. Definitely the easiest method. Like I said, this is just a promo code for Roblox that you can enter into the Roblox website, and yeah, you enter it into the redeem Roblox codes page on the website, enter the code that I'm going to show you how to get, and it's going to supply you 10,000 free Robux. Before I show you this method, I'm also doing a Roblox gift card giveaway, guys. So to enter that giveaway, simply drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be scrolling beneath this video, choosing a bunch of people, so make sure you spam your username. And yeah, anyway, this tutorial is going to be showing you some Roblox promo codes you can use right now to get free Robux in 2026. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone to obtain this Roblox promo code. So I'm using an iPhone here. I've opened up the internet. And what you're going to want to do, guys, is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it exactly like this. And what Crash Coupons is, guys, it is basically a coupon code website. Now, they specialize mostly in game codes, and they don't only have Roblox codes, they actually have loads and loads of different games. So use the search bar. As you can see, it says search here, and in there, just type in Roblox promo codes. And if you type promo codes, it should pop up here. So just navigate your way to this page. Now, there are actually 4 verified working Roblox promo codes, and the code that's going to get you the Robux is, of course, this one. Get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox. So click on Get Code, and as you can see, these are limited codes. There's 566 at the time of recording this video. Thousands of people have used these and rated them very highly. So click on Show Full Code. And what this is going to do, guys, this is going to allocate you one of these limited codes. Now, I have already done this, and I believe it does limit 1 code per person per day. I did this morning. But basically, if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, you do need to unlock your Roblox promo code for your free Robux. As you can see, it says the code will be revealed after verification. So to complete that verification, click on this button and simply follow the instructions on the next screen. It is super easy. It does take about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it considering you are getting $100 worth of free Robux. So you're getting 10,000 Robux from this. You just need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page to unlock your code. And essentially, guys, you need to make sure you follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks. They're all completely free. Like I said, they will take about 5 minutes to complete 2 of them, but this will basically verify you're not a robot. And these are really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, and yeah, they're just really easy if you follow the instructions and steps to complete them. Once you do 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Roblox free Robux promo code will be revealed. So this will say unlocked. Like I said, it is a one-time use code. So once you get your code unlocked, make sure you use it for yourself. Redeem it in the Roblox Redeem Roblox Codes website here. So you would grab the code, enter it into here, and if you're logged in, of course, it's going to add 10,000 free Robux to your account. So simply head on over on your mobile phone to Crash Coupons and then search for the Roblox promo codes page by using that search bar at the top. So type in Roblox promo codes and select the 10,000 free Robux code. If you need any assistance unlocking your code, let me know, but it is super easy if you follow the instructions. Make sure you do drop a like on this video, subscribe, and leave your Roblox username for that Robux gift card giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.